Machiegni kendo, kaonti ma Kisumu oyawayanga chenro makende mabiro neno ni giduoko gope duto ma weg lope ni godo kaka yor bero dongruok mar alwora ma Kisumu. Kanolose romo moyiedhi mane gibedo godo kod jopiny, maneja ma boma ma Kisumu Abala Wanga okwayo weg mwandu duto e kaontino, ahinya to mosemi siem mondo mi ochop kare dwaro mar tieko gopegi. Kosiemo ni buono duolno ero nyalo kelo negi midhiero kama oting'o koda kamayogi mwandugigo. Korka kore to jatend migawo mar omenda e kaontino George Okong'o oywago gope magiwacho ni romo bilion 50 mani oko.
Kuna afisa hapo mkuu anatangatanga kila mahali akiambia wananchi jinsi ambavyo au ni masikini wauze mashamba yao waondoke. Je, bwana gavana, mimi nakuuliza, mji huu unaujengea nani?
2 million and below have really paid their rates. So if your property appeared in the newspaper, it means that you have plenty of penalties to pay us. For example, if you go to Bus Park, Kanu as a party had a property of land there. They have defaulted for over 18 years with a bill of 18 million to pay. So either we take the land back or not. That is what we want you to tell us.
The debt book is about 50 billion shillings. So what is 500 million out of 50 billion? I think 1%. So we are seeking to collect 1% of the debt book. Only 1%. The overall target for all these other things is standing at about 52.9%. We had targeted to collect 3.4 billion shillings this year. Up to this point in time, we have collected 1.8 billion.
We want to be transparent and put things in the public domain for discussion and debates. Nobody is forcing you to do anything. All we are saying, these are proposals, one, to develop our city to be a better place to live in. Two, to make sure that the resources that we have as a government are used in the interest of the city dwellers.